Understanding the 11th hour, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard, the 11th hour. This expression has a rich history and a significant meaning in everyday language. It's a great example of how English often uses time to convey urgency or a critical situation. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. The 11th hour refers to the last moment when change is possible or the latest possible time before it's too late. Imagine a clock ticking down. As it approaches the final hour, the urgency increases. This phrase is often used to describe a situation where action is taken just in time to avoid a deadline or disaster. This expression originates from a biblical reference, specifically from the parable of the workers in the vineyard in the Gospel of Matthew. In this story, workers are hired at the 11th hour of a 12-hour workday, yet they receive the same pay as those who worked all day. The phrase has since evolved to symbolize doing something at the last possible moment. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. The project was completed at the 11th hour, just before the deadline. He changed his mind at the 11th hour, avoiding a big mistake. Negotiations continued until the 11th hour, but a deal was finally reached. English is full of expressions related to time, emphasizing its value and the importance of timing. The 11th hour is just one example, but understanding it can help you grasp the cultural and linguistic nuances of time-related expressions in English. I hope this exploration of the 11th hour has been enlightening and adds a useful phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, it's all about the urgency and the last-minute action, a concept that's universally understood across cultures. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you learn more interesting English phrases and expressions in our next video.